March 24th. Thank you. Can we just flip up that?
Rams, what do you do as president of the DSU?
So being DSU Press is all about strategizing. It's about having a vision and knowing where to take the union. Not just for this year, but 2, 3, 5 years from now, you know? It's all about listening to students, seeing what's important to them, and then coming up with solutions to make it happen. That's pretty much what I do on a daily basis.
What type of person do you think would be appropriate to be president of the DSU?
Well, you gotta have a vision, as I said. You gotta be a good planner, and you have to be ambitious. You know, you have to be able to want to actually to challenge the status quo, and always question, observe, listen, network with people that are outside of your own, you know, demographic, your own friends, your own social circle, and yeah, you gotta make yourself available. That's it.
Fair enough. Yeah, for sure.
No matter how high level things get, it's all about the individual student. So I find the most rewarding is that, you know, this particular one student comes in with a unique issue, and you know, there's progress on that. That is actually one of the most rewarding things, as opposed to like high level programs and services and budget restructuring, etc. You know, if you don't like something, if you see a gap somewhere, like something should be offered, you're the one who's going to go and fix it. Otherwise, you're trusting $3 million worth of your money with somebody who could just knock it over all. That's pretty much what it is. So if you want somebody to do this, then don't vote. If you want this to actually go higher, then please do. Vote March 21st to 24th. Anthony, man, yo, you better vote.
Okay, that's...